What's the meaning of colonizer? Colonizer. Colonizer.
Colonizer. Colonizer. The term colonizer refers to a person or group that seeks to establish political, social, and economic control over a foreign territory or people. This process is often accompanied by the use of force or coercion and can result in the exploitation and oppression of the colonized population. The colonizers often introduce their culture, language, and customs, which can lead to the erasure of the colonized people's own cultures and traditions. Colonization has had profound and often long-lasting effects on both the colonizers and the colonized, shaping the political, social, and economic landscapes of many regions around the world.